Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use project knowledge in Claude. So I've got Claude open here, and let's go ahead and move over to one of my projects. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the projects icon here and go to one of my projects. So here I already have a few files uploaded to my knowledge base, but let's say I want to add a new one. Let's choose this one. And now I should have a project file ready, and now the project knowledge base should be ready. So what files uploaded to a project allow us to do is they allow us to give Claude a reference to work with. So say you want to update some knowledge, make it specifically tailored towards one area of study, for example. Like here, I have it dedicated to research, but you can also use projects for different things like personal coding projects or maybe personal hobbies, or you know what, we can also create a new one, YouTube production, for sake of explanation. So if I go ahead and here and I create a new and I upload a new file, let's say I choose this one, it's going to upload, and now I have a reference document. So they allow you to basically use whatever you would like as the basis for whatever response you want to receive. So let's say create a document for the create an outline for video production based on the format of the file I have uploaded. Create an outline for video production based on the format of the file I have uploaded. I want you to create the document around this specific list of video topics. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on send, and now it should create a document that very closely follows the reference document I have uploaded. So if we go back here, this is what it looks like. There's a lot of formatting. Right now it's in not quite in the document view because it's a doc file and it's showing just the formatting in plain text, but you should see what it looks like once this response has finished generating. So I'm going to give it a minute or two to finish, and I'll be back when it's done. So it's just finished creating a response to the prompt I've given it, and as you can see here, it follows the format of the file I uploaded really well. It looks a little bit weird right now because it's using the document viewer inside of Claude itself, but I'm sure if I download this file and open it with Microsoft Word, it should look pretty normal. There we go. As you can see, pretty clean, pretty neat. This is pretty much the format of the document that I sent it, and it follows the instructions very well. So that's just one way of making use of your knowledge base with your Claude projects. If we go on over to my other Claude project right here, I have a few files, and I've also added some instructions. And basically what my instruction is to just keep its responses as short and simple as possible. So if we go ahead and here look into one of the chats that I have, you can see I asked it to quickly summarize information about a specific topic, and this specific topic is covered in the reference document that I gave it. This is where it pulled the information from. Now I can also ask it to do the same thing for another one of the documents here, and something a bit more perhaps vague. So let's say I want you to summarize or explain implications of the environment. So this is a pretty vague question. You can frame it many multiple ways, but overall it's going to prioritize the knowledge that comes from the. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.